Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a quick review of the HOODELL's air filter. If you are anything like me, you have been mowing your butt off, it's the middle of the summer, and you notice that your lawnmower isn't quite working the same way as it used to. Now, a lot of times it's a easy fix. You change the oil, but you could also change the air filter. So I recently purchased this 5-pack. Why is this great? Is because you should be replacing these at least once or twice per summer. It allows your lawnmower to breathe better and operate a lot more efficiently. So real quick, this is what you don't want your air filter to look like. Don't be like me and wait a really long time to change your air filter because your lawnmower just won't work like it used to. So I went ahead and purchased these particular air filters. And this particular air filter goes to this Toro 149cc lawnmower. And this is generally what you get with this 5-pack. You get 5 of these filters, right? They look just like the one. This is actually the original one that came with the lawnmower. And you can see it is identical. So real quick, I'll show you guys how easy it is to install. All you have to do is take this air filter, pop it in just like this, as you guys can see, and take the cover and place it back on here like so. Real quick, you guys can see all you have to do is just place this cover on and pop this thing back in here just like this, right? So again, if you guys are looking for air filters, it comes in a 5-pack, right? So it's not only gonna last you one summer, it's probably gonna last you at least 2 or 3 summers, and it comes just like this. Again, like most videos, appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.